Hi, my name is Droopy, Droopy the dog, and I'm going to sing bluegrass music for you today. This is not a song that I'm famous for, but I hope to become famous with it because it'll make me very happy. This is one called The Man of Constant Sorrow. I'm a man of constant sorrow. I've seen trouble all my days. I bid farewell to old Kentucky, the place where I was born and raised. For 6 long years I've been in trouble. No pleasure here on earth I find. For in this life I'm bound to ramble. I have no friend to help me now. It's fairly well, my own true lover. I never expect to see you again. For I'm bound to ride that northern railroad. Perhaps I'll die upon this train. You can bury me in some deep valley for many years, where I may lay, and then you may learn to love another while I am sleeping in my grave. Maybe, just maybe your friends think I am just a stranger. My face you'll never see no more. But there is one promise that is given. I'll meet you on God's golden shore. Thank you very much.